Hi, hello guys, Flaky World here. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys our new apartment. So we moved from where we were staying before when we arrived in Canada. When we first arrived, like almost 3 months back, we were staying in a shared apartment because that was what we could afford at the time. Like you must have heard so many people that have been here saying so many things about new immigrants, international students living beyond their means. So, because we don't have to prove anything to anybody, we don't have to show who we are not to anybody. So we have to live within our means. We do not even do pass ourselves. You see, in Nigerian, so more boats, in my language. So we don't even try to live beyond. We try to minimize, like economize whatever. Like I am an economist, my husband is an economist. We actually study something related to economics, so we know what it takes to be like to live within your means, not to live above your means, so that you don't get stranded. So today we got another apartment. It will still be shared, but like we are the one that owns it. It's not as if I'm living with somebody that keeps giving me rules, don't go to this side. So we got this ourselves, so we can set the rules ourselves, and it's something that is not above our means. It's something that we can manage, and it's actually comfortable. So I'll be showing you guys, I'll be taking you through our new apartment now. Thank you. So here is the end. This is the building from up down. This is the building, and this is the entrance. It's actually an old building, very old building. I don't know how long. So I'll take you through. It has security, so you can't just barge in. So this is the entrance. It's a very old house. Okay, so the door is opened. And here is the lift. See how this sort of instructions. It's a very old building with an old lift. Now we're on the second floor. And the voila. Room 209. This is bro. So it's actually an empty apartment, but we moved some of our stuff in already. This is the kitchen. After like 7 hours of cleaning, we still have this. More to go. We still have some cleanings to do. A very old. This is the living room. Ẹnìkan ló yẹ kó máa ṣe fídíò fún mi kí n máa take it all. Èmi mò ń ṣe gbogbo fún ara mi. Mi ò tí ì ní assistant. This is the balcony. Kí n sọ fún yín ní wàhálà. This is the balcony and this. So from our living room, you can actually come in. Come in. Mo ti fọwọ́ kàn ní o. Ọwọ́ agbára ti wọ̀. So this is the living room, guys. Like this is. Bóyá máa kàn gbé ṣúra kì í sí bíbá yìí, ẹbí ẹnu ọ̀nà yìí. Bóyá máa gbé ṣúra kì í sí bíbá. Ó dàbí ibi younger but I'll be sure I'm sitting. I'm about to see. Don't worry, guys. When we have everything all set up, I will do another video and you will see. It's very rough. Like, I think the last time this place was used should be around 2 to 3 years ago. Everything was dirty. What's it gone? One white it is still broken. We've been scrubbing all day and we are still not done. But I want to do for debo. So we have to farashishe owo. So this is the part. Still working on it. Another thing here, like a storage or something. We have to look like a storage here. I'll show you guys. And this is the first bedroom. We are packing already, so we still have some of our stuffs in. We are not set. And this is the wardrobe of the first room. And this is the second room. It's a much bigger room. So many things here are not working too. This room, the bulb, the light is not working. We have to fix that also. Like I said, we're looking for something that is affordable. So when we are done fixing everything, we'll still save some cost. Compared to houses that are furnished already, that everything is set, they are much more expensive. We get house for 2005, 2 bed, 2005. We can't afford that. We have to live within our means and we have to live good. So we got this and we'll repair whatever is wrong with here. Now we'll clean. Instead of hiring people to clean, we'll clean ourselves. So guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. I'll get back with the full details of the fully furnished apartment. Sometimes later when we're done. Thank you guys. Bye.